Welcome back to my channel EduBoost. I'm Mrs. Monica, and in this video I'll be teaching you an easy and clear way to understand mathematics. Stay with me till the end. Today we are going to learn one of the most important topics in basic geometry. Lines in geometry. We will understand what lines are, their types, and how they look in real life. Let's get started. What is a line? A line is a straight path that extends endlessly in both directions. It has no starting point and no ending point. In diagrams, we draw it with two arrowheads like this, left-right arrow. For example, line AB is written as line AB with arrows on both ends. Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line. It has two fixed endpoints. That means it does not go on forever. If we have points A and B, then the straight path from A to B is called line segment AB. It is written without arrows. This is the type of line we often use in real life, like the edge of a book, a ruler, or a pencil. Ray. A ray is a line that starts at one point and goes on endlessly in one direction. It has one endpoint and one arrowhead. For example, ray AB starts from A and goes in the direction of B forever. Think about sunlight coming from the sun. It starts from the sun and goes on endlessly. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that never meet, no matter how far they are extended. They are always the same distance apart, like the two rails of a railway track. In geometry, if line PQ and line RS are parallel, we write PQ parallel RS. Parallel lines never intersect. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are lines that meet or cross each other at a point. That point is called the point of intersection. For example, two roads crossing at a junction are intersecting lines. If line AB and line CD meet at point O, we say they intersect at O. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are special intersecting lines that meet at 90 degrees. They form a perfect right angle, like the corner of your notebook or the corner of a room. In geometry, we write ABCD, meaning AB is perpendicular to CD. Real-life examples recap. Let's recall the examples of lines which we use in our daily life. A ruler represents a line segment because it has two fixed ends. Sun rays represent a ray, starting at the sun and going endlessly. A railway track is a perfect example of parallel lines, because the tracks never meet. Crossroads represent intersecting lines, as roads meet at one point. And the edges of a paper form perpendicular lines, because they meet at right angles. So friends, today we learned types of lines in geometry. A line extends in both directions forever. A line segment has two endpoints. A ray starts from one point and goes forever. Parallel lines never meet. Intersecting lines cross each other. Perpendicular lines meet at 90 degrees. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more lessons. Do you have a topic in mind? Drop it in the comments, and I'll be happy to explain it in a future video.